Hi! In this video I'm going to show you how to create custom private match and how to add bots in match in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. At the starting screen, you want to scroll right, select Private Match, and then select Create Private Match. After all load up, you will see Team 1 and Team 2 options. To add bots in enemy team, click on plus under Team 2, and this will bring this menu where you can add bots to match. If you don't see this option, don't panic. It means that private match didn't fully loaded, so just go back, wait for a while, and go back to this menu. As you see, you have Add Bots menu, and down here you can select amount you want to add, up to 6 of them. Here you can select difficulty for the bots. You have Recruit, Regular, Hardened, Veteran and Mixed difficulty. After you set up all this, click on Confirm. So, we added bots to enemy team. As you see, we have 6 of them. If you want to add them to your team, you will click on plus under Team 1 and repeat the process. You can set total of 11 bots, plus you, for entire lobby. After you set up your teams, you can click on Game Setup, and on first option, you can select Game Mode. On second you can choose on which map you want to play. And on third option you can adjust some game rules, like time limit, score limit, and so on. After your game is all set up, all you need to do is click on Start the Match, and enjoy your custom private match. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If it was, please hit that like button, and consider to subscribe for more videos like this one. Until next time, stay safe, and I see you all.